Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, good evening. If you are in the evening hours, or good night if you are in the night hours. In Igbo, we say ụtụtụ ọma for good morning, ehihie ọma for afternoon, mgbede ọma for evening, and then abalị ọma for night, depending on your own location at this time. This is the Igbo Tutor live. If you viewing me now, probably this live class, the replay of it is being loaded in our own homepage, and you are watching from the homepage a replay. You are lucky to see this live class. This is a free live class by the Igbo Tutor every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. But if you are watching a replay and you wish to be part of the live class itself, you need to hit the join button below this video, the round black join button below this video. Hit that join button, do the needful, and become a member of the channel. That way, you will be connected to us live anytime we come live. And it will also give you other privileges and opportunities like free ebook we always give every month or every quarter, and then opportunity to have a direct contact with me for further discussions or assistance. So you do well to join our channel membership today. I'm sure those of us who are already members are benefiting maximally from their channel membership. So what are you waiting for? Hit the join button now below this video right here, and then join our channel membership. Okay. And then if you're already a member, congratulations. You can be sure you cannot just come here and go without learning anything new each day you are in this live class. This time around, we are doing a series which is the verb add on. So if you are here right now, you need to be patient. Chere nwobere maka ndị kwụrụ ụgwọ class here. You wait a bit for those who paid for this live class to be with us before we will start in a few minutes. In the next 2 minutes, we're going to begin this class fully, because that's when those who are channel members will come around. This class is scheduled for 2 p.m. Nigerian time, and that is the same time we meet every Saturday. Anyị na-ezute ebe a ụbọchị Satọde niile n'elekere abụọ nke ehihie. Ya mere, ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ isoro anyị mụọ asụsụ Igbo, ọ ga-adị m nnọọ mma ma isonyere anyị tinye aka na akara edere join n'okpuru ebe a, bie ya aka ka ị nwee ike ime ihe ị ga-eme iji tinye aha gị dịka otu onye n'etiti anyị na ezinụlọ nke ndị Igbo, Igbo family. Ebe a anyị na-amụ asụsụ Igbo n'ụbọchị niile na-akwụghị ego ọbụla ọzọ, eweziga nke ị ga-akwụ maka isonye dịka onye otu grupu a, onye otu chanel anyị nọ n'ime ya. Ị kwụọla nke ahụ, ọ gwụkwala, ị gaghị akwụ ego ọzọ, mana ị ga-enwe ohere isonye anyị na klaasị a Satọde niile, ma nwekwa ohere inweta akwụkwọ ederede maka asụsụ Igbo nke nwere mkpụrụ edemede, onyonyo nakwa olu m ị ga na-anụ ebe ahụ. Ị pụrụ iwetukwa ya n'ala nnọọ tinye n'ime ekwentị gị maọbụ kọmputa na-ege ya mgbe niile. Our ebooks are unique because they come with text, pictures, and downloadable audios, which means if you buy our ebooks, which the link also is in the description box of this live class, you buy our ebooks, you have a chance to listen, look, see the text, and also pictures. In addition to that, you have the audio included in the ebook. The better part of it is that the audio is downloadable, which means you can download the audio and have it permanently in your phone or computer and listen to it over and over again. This is the unique thing about our ebook. So if you did them, they cover varieties of subjects. So if you need any of them, just hit the description box of this video, check it up there. You will see a link to our bookshop where you can get any of our books. We have over 20 books there. So get any of them today and you'll be glad you did. Okay. Of course, if you also want direct live class, one-on-one live class, which is going to be online live class, you do well to also send us email making a request. The email address is also in the description box of this video, which is, of course, my channel name, theigbotutor@gmail.com. Send your request today and we will attend to you immediately. Those of us who are in our live class are having a very nice time. Live class is important because that is when you will have a direct contact with me You're watching a video prepared already. There's no one to talk to you when you are watching a video. You only watch it and make out anything out of it. But when you're in a live class, you have a chance to talk to me. We're seeing each other. You can ask me a question. I can listen to you pronounce those Igbo words and correct the sound and be sure you are on the right track. That gives you opportunity also to practice what you have been learning over time. So private live class is very, very helpful for those who really want to speak Igbo language, who don't just want to watch videos and pass by. You really want to speak Igbo language, it's important and recommended that you have a private live class with me anytime that is convenient for you. We always adjust it that way to suit your timing, suit your region, suit your work schedule, and then every other thing you need will be given to you in a private live class. So why not? Let us know today if you are interested in that, and we will offer you that assistance. Ndewo, Maazị Nnake, welcome to class. One of our channel members is in the class, so we are starting class right away. So I begin with Nnake, who is here right on time. So ana m asị ya nnọọ, Maazị Nnake, kee ka ị mere? Ah, Maazị Nnake, kee ka ị mere? Kee ka ị mere? Ị dịkwa mma? Please confirm that by replying me. That will tell me that my audio is clear and clean. When you reply my question, that confirms my audio is in order. Okay? So ana m asị Maazị Nnake, kee ka ị mere? Confirm that you heard me by replying my question. That way we are sure everything is in order. Okay? Asịrị m Maazị Nnake, kee ka ị mere? Adị m mma. Excellent. So you confirm that our audio is sharp, audible, and working perfectly. Are you confirming that, Maazị Nnake? You are confirming our audio is perfect. So we can proceed with the class. Is that an answer? Ọ bụrụ eziokwu gasị ee, ị ga-asị m ee ma ọ bụrụ na ị na-anụ olu m nke ọma. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-anụ olu m nke ọma, sị ee, ana m anụ olu gị nke ọma. Who else is in the class? If you are in the class, drop your greeting. Don't just stay in the class. Mark your register by dropping a greeting in the chat. That way we can pick your name, return greetings to you. Okay, ihe niile bụ nke ọma, but I would prefer you say ihe niile dị mma or ihe niile na-aga nke ọma. Okay, ihe niile dị mma. Okay, that is a better answer. Okay, or you can also say, ihe niile dị mma or ihe niile na-aga nke ọma, whichever way you prefer it. Ihe niile na-aga nke ọma. Okay, if you prefer to use that, everything is going on well. Ihe niile na-aga nke ọma, whichever one you prefer is fine. Kedu onye ọzọ nọ na class? Which other person is in the class? Indicate by dropping a chat. Indicate that you are in the class by dropping a chat. That way we can drop our greetings to you, call you by name. This is a live class. We talk to each other. We'll get response from you directly. That's why it's a live class. Odemma, let's know that you are in the class while we await others. Ngwa ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Odemma, Nnake, kee maka. I will only call the name of the person that I already know. So if you are in the class and you don't indicate you are here, I won't mention your name. But if you have dropped a chat, I can pick your name and call you by your name and get answers from you directly. Okay, let's ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Maazị Nnake, kee maka ọrụ nke taa. Kee maka ọrụ nke taa. Yes, waiting for your response. Maazị Nnake, kee maka ọrụ nke taa. Ana m eche gị o. Zaa m azịza. Zaa ajụjụ m. Zaa ajụjụ m, Maazị Nnake. Kee maka ọrụ nke taa. Yes, ọ dị mma, excellent. Ọ dị mma, excellent. Ọ na-aga nke ọma. Either of the two is fine. Mhm. Ezinụlọ gị kwan? Ezinụlọ gị kwan? Ezinụlọ gị kwanụ? Mhm. Further questions? Yes. Further questions? Ezinụlọ gị kwan? Ha nọ ọfụma. Excellent. Excellent. Ha nọ ọfụma. They are staying well or they are okay. Okay. That's fine. N'izu ụka gara aga anyị mere ihe gbasara bịa na okwu ngwa. Ngwa is called verb. Ngwa. Anyị mere gwa, bịa na verb add-on. Anyị mere bịa. Today we are taking another word and we are using the word che. Che. That is the word we are considering today. Che. Actually, che in this regard means think. That is what we are looking at today. Che, think. That is the word for today. Basaraya. So che is the parent verb that we are looking at. We're going to add things to it. Remember, we are talking about verb add-on. So we are adding different things to this parent verb and to change its meaning and application. Ọ ihe anyị na-eme a na-atụkwasị okwu ngwa a ihe dị iche iche dịka mkpụrụ edemede dị iche iche iji gbanwee ihe ọ pụtara na ka esi eji ya eme ihe. Ya bụ ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Number one, we move on because we can't wait for anybody. We have a time for the class. Moving on. So the first word we're adding, as usual, is chekwa. 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 What does this mean? Chekwa. We're following the same order like last week so that we can understand the sequence and we'll be able to also do the same thing with other verbs at the end of this series. We should be able to break any verb into all these add-ons. So gịnị bụ chekwa? I've already given the meaning of the verb we are considering today. I say think is already written there, not wait. Che is different from chere. Wait is chere. Yes, so don't mix it up. Nake, I've already given the word and I've given the meaning. So I didn't say it is wait. Wait is chere. It's different from che. Nake, I hope you are following. So Ken got it right. Also think. Chekwa. Also think. Don't put comma. Don't put comma. Nake. It's not, there's no need for the comma. It's also think. No need for comma. Right? So as usual, when we do the word, we do a phrase or a sentence to apply it in usage. Right? So, and then the word sentence we're making is they also thought about it. Although this one is in past tense. Okay. They also thought about it. They also thought about it. They also thought about it. Though this one is changed to past tense. If we want to make it present tense, we can say, okay, he asked us to think also. He asked us to think also. Or to also think. He asked us to also think about it. If we want to use present tense, he asked us to also think about it. Okay, Nake said, ha cherekwara makaya. Okay. Ha che ha chekwa maka ya. Okay. Okay. Actually, in this past tense, is yeah, Ken is better. Ha chekwara maka ya. In this past tense, it doesn't have double E for the past tense. Ken, you got it perfectly well. Ha chekwara maka ya. The past tense aspect doesn't have double E. It's only one E. Ha chekwara maka ya. They also thought about it. Excellent. Excellent. I agree with Ken. Ha chekwara. Okay. Makaya, which is they also thought about it. About it. Okay. So Ken, you are in order. Ha chekwara makaya. Excellent. Nake. Good correction. Okay, let's try to use the present tense. He asked us to also think about it. He asked us to also think about it. Let's use the present tense now. He asked us to also think about it. We want to apply the present tense to it. So how does this one go? He asks us to also think about it. How will it be in the Igbo version? Translate to Igbo. He asked us also. Oh, he asked us to also think about it. Or he asked us to think about it also. How will it be in Igbo version? Yes, let's give it a try out. Ken, Nake, who else is in the class? Mark your register, indicate your presence, answer questions, drop a chat, greet us. That way we can welcome you and mark your presence in the class. Okay? Ngwa ka anyị gaa n'ihu. He asked us to also think about it. Ken said, ọ gwara anyị ka anyị cheekwa ya. That's a good effort. Is Nnake saying anything different from this? He asked us to also think about it. Nnake, any other contrary view? Ọ sịrị ka anyị cheekwa maka ya. Good one. I like that variation. Ọ gwara anyị, ọ sịrị. He asked us. Ọ sịrị ka anyị cheekwa maka ya. He asked us to also think about it. Both of you are very correct. I like those variations. Ọ gwara anyị, he asked us. Ọ sịrị ka anyị, he asked us to. Or he told us to. They are all the same. He told us to. Okay? Ka anyị cheekwa maka ya. Or ka anyị cheekwa ya. You guys are all correct. These are different ways of arriving at the same destination. So I like that application. Ọ sịrị anyị, ọ gwara anyị. They are the same. Gwara and sịrị are used interchangeably. So both are correct. Ọ gwara anyị ka anyị cheekwa ya. Ọ sịrị ka anyị cheekwa maka ya. Okay? The only difference between maka ya is about it. Okay? Then Ken said ka anyị cheekwa ya. Okay? Think of it. Think about it. Both are right. I didn't see anything that is wrong in both answers. They are all correct. Good work, good effort by you guys. Now let's go to number 2. This one, what did I write? Okay, I made a mistake there. There's a typo there. So this is what we have. Chenu. This has 2 sounds and 2 meanings. Like we also did last week. Let me see whether we can remember it. So what is this? What does chenu mean? Okay, let me give the first sound. Chenu. Chenu. What does it mean? Listen to me. Chenu. Nake is still going back to wait. We've told you that there's nothing like wait here. Okay, you have corrected yourself. Chenu. I say the sound we are looking first is chenu. Okay. Chenu. It has two sounds. The first sound is chenu. The second one is chenu. Chenu. First one, chenu. Yes, who can differentiate the two? Chenu. Chenu. Okay. All right. Okay. Nake, which one did you write? Did you prefer? Did you choose? Is it chenu or chenu? Which one did you write? I think Nake tinko or just think. Just think. Okay. Just think. Or tinko. That one is chenu. Chenu. Why chenu is you people think, which is like saying che unu. So the two answers has satisfied our request. Chenu, just think. Or tinko, chenu ya. Hmm. The other one, chenu, you people think. Right. Let's go to our sentences now. Let's take the first one because Nake has changed the order. The first one he put is tinko or just think. Chenu. Okay. The sentence is just think about what happened. Just think about what happened. Oh, Sherry Mango, you're welcome to class. So the first one we're talking about is tinko or just think. And the sentence is just think about what happened. Just think about what happened. How do we write it? Hey, Sherry Mango. So it be we're looking at first one. Just think or tinko. And the sentence is just think about what happened. How do we write it in Igbo? Okay, Nake is in. Any other option? Just think about what happened. Sherry Mango has come in. Okay, Ken is also in. Just think about what happened. Okay, let's see what you guys wrote. Nake, chenu maka ihe mere. You can also say chenu ihe mere. But chenu maka ihe mere is fine. Sherry Mango, chenu maka ihe mere. Excellent. Oh, no, Sherry Mango, you wrote chenu maka nke mere. Okay. Then Ken wrote chenu maka ihe mere. If you ask me, I prefer chenu maka ihe mere. As against chenu maka nke mere. Nke is like saying the one that happened. Nke is more of the one that happened. But ihe mere is what happened. Okay? So I'm going with chenu maka ihe mere. Okay? Just think about what happened. Or, okay? Chenu maka ihe mere is the preferred answer here. Ihe mere. That is our preferred answer. All right. Now let's go to the second usage. Okay. You people should think about it. 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 I hope that does not alter the word. Or we can simply say, you people think about it so that we don't move too far from what we're doing. You people think about it. Okay, I think that is already affecting Cherry Mango. Yeah, I think we're having a problem there because that should is making it a little bit difficult. Let's make it simpler. We can simply say, okay, okay, chain. You people think about it. I think it's better for us. You people think about it. Let's remove the should. You people think about it. Or think about it, you people. That's better. So that we don't create a difficult scenario here. Okay. So that's fine. You people think about it. Che Numakaya. Ken's right. Che Numakaya. Okay. But I must commend Sherry Mango for trying to, correct that first sentence. You people should think about it. She wrote, Gimado ekwesiri iche makaya. That she's actually getting it because should think is kwesiri iche. The only thing is that she put ekwesiri iche. She shouldn't put e in front. She should have written unu niile, simply unu niile, you people. Okay? Chen unu niile kwesiri, not ekwesiri. I'm trying to correct that sentence. Kwesiri iche makaya. This is what it should be, Sherry Mango. Unu niile kwesiri iche makaya, but you wrote game mado. Okay? So it's not game mado. You people. It is not game mad, it's you people. Okay? Us unu niile, you people. Unu niile, all of you. All of you. Okay? Okay? But the game mad is not wrong entirely. You people, she's just translating it directly. Okay? So, but again, Nile can be removed from that particular word because I didn't say all of you people. I say you people. So it can simply be unu. Instead of saying unu Nile, unu kwesiri. I think that is more correct. Unu kwesiri iche. That is more correct. Makaya. Because I didn't say all of you. I say you people. You people is just unu. Kwesiri iche makaya. Should think about it. So, Cherry Mango, where you wrote Gimma Nile, okay, you can also, Gimma Nile can be accepted, but you don't use a kwesiri. You just say kwesiri. Iche is correct. Makaya, not makaihe. All right. But we've agreed that you people think about this is chenu makaya. That's what we accept to be the answer for this. Chenu makaya. Okay. Chenu makaya. You people, you guys, think about it. Chenu makaya. So that is what we accepted to be the answer. So Ken got it first, and followed by Nake. Chenu makaya. Chenu makaya. But Sherry Mango, I love your effort. You tried, you made a lot of. Sherry Mango, do you understand what I explained about your sentence? Is it clear to you and other people? Do you get what I explained about that? Should think about it. Is it clear to everybody? Please confirm if you're okay, if you if you got what I explained. Simu ma ọ bụrụ na ịghọtara ya, ịghọtara ihe m kọwara gbasara, you people should think about it. Ọ bụrụ na ị ghọtara ya, sị m Ken ghọtara ya, kee maka nna kee maka Sherry Mango. Okay? Let's do that, please. Let's do that. Minute. Okay. Need to put this phone on silent. All right, so we're going. I only had Ken's response. What about the other people? Sherry Mango, you did not understand what I explained? Did you understand what I explained about your sentence? Okay. Is Nake still there? Ezioku. Okay, that's fine. Let's go on. We're going to the third word, and that is Chesia. Oh, Chesia, not Chesia. Uh, I want to remove this one. The one I want to treat first is Chesia. That my I should have dot under, but I'm not getting dot under here. The S should have dot, the I should have dot under. Chesia. Hmm? What is Chesia? What does that mean? Yes, let's go. Somebody has already said something. Somebody has said something. What is your own opinion? Chesia. What do you think? What do you think Chesia mean? Think deeply. Okay, a good effort. Nake, what do you say to this? Chesia. 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 Nake, we're waiting for you. What do you think about this? Gịnị bụ chesia n'asụsụ Igbo? Gịnị bụ chesia n'asụsụ Bekee rada? Ọ bụrụ na ị maghị ya ga-asị amaghị m. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Ọ bụrụ na ị mara ya, ga-ede ihe ị maara ka o si dị gị n'obi. Ga mee ya ọsịsọ. Let's go. Chesia. Who is in the class? Drop something in the chat. Greetings. Ndewonu. Daalụ. No, just say something or respond to my questions. That's the only way we can recognize your presence, return greetings to you, and connect you to the class. We call our students by name. Ngwanu Nnake, kedu ebe ị nọ? Where are you? You ka nọkwa na class here? Are you still in this class? Ị ka nọkwa na class here? What is Chesia? It's either you have an idea or you don't. If you don't, you say Ide Amaim, just write Amaim. If you do, you write what? Anomeba. Why are you not responding now? You are neither answering the question or you are not saying I don't know. Ask him Amaim. Okay, we didn't see it. We are just seeing what you wrote now. Okay. Chesia is not all think because, okay, except if you add all of you. If you add all of you, Chesia may be, considered as all think. If you say, after all of you must have thought about it, that is where Chesia has to do with all thinking. Otherwise, Chesia is simply after thinking. Okay? After thinking. After thinking. That is Chesia. The only time it can mean all thinking is when you first mention all of you. If you say, after you people have finished thinking about it, okay? After you people finish thinking, that's when you are referring to many people thinking together, that all thinking. That's when Chesia will come. Let me give an example. Okay? After you people have finished thinking about it, you see me. After you people finish thinking about it, you see me. That is when we can use chesia as everybody thinking. After you finish, is even is also going towards after thinking. Okay? After thinking. So chesia is actually after thinking. There's actually, it doesn't mean all think. It means after thinking. Whether you put plural as a subject, this is unu chesia is after you finish thinking. Okay. And chesia ya after we finish thinking. Okay. Chesia after I finish thinking. So chesia is basically after thinking. Okay. I've given so many examples. Okay. Okay. Let's now come down to it. Okay. Um, ichesia ya ịbịa ka anyị hụ. Ichesia ya ịbịa ka anyị hụ. That is the sentence. So, ichesia ya ịbịa ka anyị hụ. Ichesia ya. My eyes should have dot under, please. Ịbịa ka anyị hụ. All my eyes should have dot under them. My keyboard is not picking that when I'm live. Okay. Ichesia ya ịbịa ka anyị hụ. That is the sentence. Let's go break it. What is the translation? Ichesia ya ịbịa ka anyị hụ. Yes. Okay. Sherry Mango, good effort. Good effort. Ichesia ya ịbịa ka anyị hụ. Good effort. Good effort, Ken. Nake, are you there? Ichesia ya ịbịa ka anyị hụ. Sherry Mango, you are trying so hard. Appreciate you. Good improvement. Yes, where is Nake now? Are you missing in action? Ichesia ya ịbịa ka anyị hụ. Yes, Nake, you have not said anything. You neither say, I don't know. Okay. Okay, Amahim. Your Amahim is not coming in. It's not coming in. The last Amahim I saw came in before my question. I don't know whether it's system that is delaying your chat. All right. Sherry Mango say, after you thought about it, you come to see us. I would have preferred. Yes, I'm also worried. Nake, I'm not seeing your message. We, not only me, we are not seeing your message when you send it first. I don't know whether it's network or whatever. I don't know. So, Sherry Mango wrote, after you thought about it, you come to see us. No, I didn't say you come to see us. You come and let us see. You come and let us see. Kanyihu is let us see. That's why Ken is better when Ken say, after you think about it, you come, let us see. That is more appropriate. Ibia ka anihu. I is you. Bia, come, you come. Ka anihu is let us see. You come and let us see. Okay? The next thing we are going to talk about is ichesiaya. After you think about it. Sherry Mango wrote, after you thought about it. I think it's still in present tense because it's like a future instruction. So it shouldn't be past tense. It should be after thinking about it. So you either write after you think about it or after thinking about it. After you finish thinking about it or after you think about it. So I prefer can own after you think about it. Okay? Because it's not yet in past tense. You come, let us see. So I adopt that. Okay. After you think about it, ichesiaya, you come and let us see. Ibia ka anyị hụ. Okay. Ichesia ibia ka anyị hụ. Yeah. So, Sherry Mango, do you think you understand what I explained? Nake, are you with me? Ichesia ya ibia ka anyị hụ. After you think about it, you come and let's see. All right, good one. Nake, are you there? Did you get what I explained? Because we are going to the next word. Okay. The next word is where we are going now. Are we there? Okay. The next word is this. Chetu. Chetu. So what is this? Chetu. What does this mean? Chetu. Yes. Who will tell us the meaning of chetu? Okay. Sherry Mango is in. What are the rest guys saying? What do you say? Nake. Ke. Chetu. Amaim. Okay. Ken, what do you say? Amaimo. Okay. All right. And surprisingly, Sherry Mango got it. Chetu, think small, think a bit, think a while. Okay. Okay. It could be think a while or a little time. It could be think a while. It could be think a bit. Think a bit. It could be think small. Okay. So, okay. So Sherry Mango is in order. Think a little. Think a while. Okay. Now let's go to our sentence. Now, the sentence is think about what happened a while. Think about what happened a while. Or think a while about what happened. Think a while about what happened. Or think a little about what happened. Yes, what do we have in a sentence? Think a little about what happened. Okay, Sherry Mango is in. Sherry Mango is on fire today. Oh. She really prepared for this class. She is on fire. That would be very, very serious if a Yoruba lady is beating us in this case. Nake and Ken, if we should not let her pull you down, oh. She's on fire or she prepared come for this class. Okay. Ken is in. How about Nake? Nake, what do you say? Think a little about what happened. Yes, Nake, what do you say to this? Gịnị ka ị kwuru gbasara nke a? Think a while about what happened. Okay. They both got the answer right. Chetu maka ihe mere. Okay. Chetu maka ihe mere. Some will also say chetu obere maka ihe mere. But what they wrote is perfectly correct. Okay. Chetu maka ihe mere. Think a while. Think a bit about what happened. Chetu maka ihe mere. Okay, that's fine. We move on. We go. And then we're going to Chezia. Mind you, Chezia here, my I should have dot under. But my keyboard is not accepting that for me when I'm live now. I don't know why. Chezia is what? Chezia. What is that? Chezia. If you are in the class and you have not dropped your greetings, you are not doing well. You are denying us of knowing you are in the class, and then you're also denying yourself of a direct mention by me. I need to mention your name, ask direct responses from you. This is a live class. So I need to get direct response from you and talk to you directly. Okay. So if you are in the class and you have not dropped a greetings or you've not responded to anything we're doing here, you are robbing yourself. Okay. All right. We have answers here. What do we have? Clement Emehe. Okay, Clement is in the class. No, Master Clement. You're coming very late. But better late than never. All right. So you have think now, Chezia. Think well. Think fast. I like all these options. Think now. Okay. I think now is closer. Think now and then think. Very closer to what it should be. Then think. Okay. Then think. Or now think or think now. These two are closer to the answer. Then think or now think. When you are reporting about an event or what happened, you can use then think. Ha chezie ihe ha ga-eme. Ha chezie ihe ha ga-eme. Okay. Ha chezie, of course, it's in past tense here. Ha chezie ihe ha ga-eme. What does that mean? That is then thought. Ha chezie ihe ha ga-eme. In this case, I'm using then thought. Then thought. Past tense. Then think will be the present tense. But in this case, the sentence is referring to past tense. Ha chezie ihe ha ga-eme. What did I write? What does that mean? Ha chezie ihe ha ga-eme. What does that mean? Woo! Sherry Mango. I salute. You already prepare come. You prepare come for this class. You no joke at all. Okay, Ken, you're also doing very, very, very well. Nake seems to be lost. But he will find his way. Okay. Okay. Clement, good effort. Clement, good effort. Ha chezia ihe ha ga-eme. Nake, what do you say to this? Or network is trying to rob you of your contribution. I don't know why. Okay? Almost all of you are correct. They then thought about what they will do. Sherry Mango, I accept that. Now, Ken, they then thought of what they will do. Okay, that's fine. Now, Clement, they thought about what they will do is also correct. They thought about what they will do. All of you are correct. Ha chezie ihe ha ga-eme. Now, let's go to now think. Okay, the sentence go this way. Ngwa, chezie ihe ị ga-eme. Ngwa. Okay, if you say ngwa, chezie ihe ị ga-eme, what would that be? Ngwa, chezie ihe ị ga-eme. What would that be? Translate this one. Second meaning. Ngwa, chezie ihe ị ga-eme. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, Nake. Good one. Okay. Good effort by Sherry Mango. But a little error at the end of your sentence. Okay, you are making correction by yourself. That's good. Nice one by Ken. Waiting for Clement. Nice one by Ken. Clement, where are you? Don't let these guys beat you down. These guys are prepared for this class. Clement is in. And Clement came in with a banger. Came in strong. Ngwa is always like now. Now. It's not all right. Okay? It's not all right. Although it can also be used as all right, but all right is odemma. Odemma. But ngwa is more of urgency. It's like now. So that's why I say Clement came in with a bang. He said, now. Think about what you will do. Ngwa, chizia ihe ị ga-eme. That's fine. Excellent work. Nake, hurry. Think now what you will do. It's also okay. But if you say hurry, you are like saying osiso. Me osiso. Okay. But if you say quickly, quickly, that is better than saying hurry. You can say quickly. Think of what you will do. Okay. Cherry Mango also say, come on, think now about what, but she corrected herself, what you would do. Come on. So, ngwa, you can also go for come on. Okay, come on. You're also saying, putting urgency to what you're saying. So that can be allowed for ngwa, come on, now. Okay. But all right is not okay for that, for ngwa. All right is not a sign of urgency. But come on, it's acceptable. Now is acceptable. Okay. Quickly is also acceptable here, but not hurry. Hurry, hurry. Okay. Hurry seems okay, but hurry is not okay for the sentence. But now, all right, now, come on, is more. Though hurry seems to have a similar meaning, but it doesn't really apply very well. It doesn't go down well with the sentence. All right, you guys are strong today. Okay, next one. You're doing well today. Chezuo, that's the next one. Chezuo, let's go. What is the meaning? Chezuo. Chezuo. Let's go. Gịnị bụ chezuo? Chezuo. Mm-hmm. What is that? Mm-hmm. Okay. Sherry Mango is in. Or who else is saying something? Chezuo. What do you say to that? Ken, Nake, Clement, Ginibu Chezuo. Yes, 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 yes. What are you guys saying? If you don't have idea, say a mime. If you have, you drop your idea. Think deeply. Somebody else is saying the same thing. Chezuo. Mm, mm, mm. Any other opinion? Think it through. Think it completely. Nice one by Nake. Nake came in with big force. Clement, what did you say? Okay. Clement, where are you? Gini bu Chezuo. Chezuo. Waiting for Clement. But I must say that Nake got it correctly. It's think complete. Completely. That is Chezuo. Zuo is something complete. Ozuru is complete. Okay. So it's not think deeply, it's completely. Okay. I'm not going to make a sentence with this because time is not on my side. I'm going to go to the last one, which is Chemie. Let's go. You can try and make sentence for yourself. But this is the last one. Chemie. I want to keep the time. Chemie is what? Yes. Let's go. Someone has been writing this meaning for long. This is time to write it. Chemie. Yes. Someone has been writing what look like this one all along. And the way you're supposed to get it, you missed it again. When in Sherry Mango, you are the one that have been writing this word, the meaning of this word all along. Now, when you should write it, you wrote another thing. I hope you come back better. Uh-huh. There you go. Okay, any other option? Any other option? Clemens na Amaim, ke maka nnake, ke maka beken. Gịnị bụ chemie? Okay, nnake, okay, ke maka ken. Gịnị ka i kwuru gbasara nke a? Chemie. All right, because of our time, that is think deeply. So Sherry Mango got it right. Big Nake got it right. It's think deeply. Okay? Now let me have a sentence with this. Okay. Um, this is the sentence. Ngwa, let's go. What does that mean? Translate. Achọrọ m ka ichemie ya. Let's go. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Time is up. That's the last sentence for today. Let's go. Okay, Nake is in. Okay. Other options. Who else? Sherry Mango, Ken, Clement. Let's go. Oh, thank God for today's network. No interruption. Okay. Ken is in. Clement is in. Sherry Mango, where are you? Achọrọ m ka ichemie ya. Sherry Mango, where are you? I want to see your answer. Nake wrote, I want you to think. Okay, Sherry Mango is in. I want you to think about it. That I want you to think deeply for me. Oh, the first one you wrote is I want you to think deeply about me. No, I don't accept. I say yeah. I didn't say mo. I say yeah. So that your last word is incorrect. Clement, I want you to think, to really think deeply about it. That is acceptable. It's about it. Okay. Think of it or think about it deeply. Ken, I want you to think deeply about it. Accepted. Okay. Sherry Mango, I want you to think about it deeply. Okay. You forgot deeply before. You just remember now to put it. Right. You guys are too much. Try today. Please, if you think you enjoyed today's class, you've learned one or two things newly, drop a chat for me, drop a thank you emoji, give me a thumbs up, and then give me a super chat if you don't mind. Anything you want to say or do to say thank you for today, I will appreciate that. A thumbs up, your flower, your super chat, your super sticker, anything. Just give today's class a thumbs up if you think you've learned something today. And I must commend every one of you for coming around today and for participating fully. We didn't have a dull class today. We had a full class of participation, active people that played along. I must appreciate all of you. Who came in first today? I think who came in first today? Was it not Nake? I think it was Nake that came in first today. Let me check. Yes, Nake came in first today. Thank you for coming on time. Followed by some other person. I think Ken followed before Sherry Mango and then my friend Clement. Appreciate all you guys for your time, for learning with me, for keeping to our time and schedule, keeping this light burning. I want to believe you are going to practice all we've learned. Don't just learn, practice them around you. Speak to somebody around you. Show you are learning something new. Sherry Mango is one person that has surprised me. She has improved so much. I'm happy about that. Ken, you are doing very well. Clement, very well. Nake, thumbs up to you guys. It's all. God bless you. Chineke, gozie unu niile. Ka emesịa, anyị ga-ahụ na Saturday ọzọ. Bye. Ka emesịa. Mhm.